recording. Hi guys, I'm Captain. Excuse me. Hey, don't be scared. I'm just wanting to be your friend. What's your name? Piggy? What a nice name. Can you make it not affected? I like being you might affected. You're slipping. Wow, thank you so much. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, you loser. We yeah. Yeah, yeah. 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 I will give it to you. Can't believe I'm safe here. Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Who the heck are you? Oh, Betty, I didn't do anything. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry I did this to you. What? I'm so sorry. You made me. I'm so sorry. Please give me another chance. What? Man, I said sorry. I think I'm safe here. What piggies are gonna turn me infected something? Oh my god. Oh, it means I think. Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! What do you want from me? I'm so sorry. What are you doing to me? Are you ready? Yes, but you're a monster. I'm telling your mom. I'm telling your mom, bitch. Mom, yeah.
Tiny.
Baba's so bad. He was so bad. What? I was so bad. Okay, so I'm gonna be Mommy Pig, and I can be Mommy Pig, and that's it. So I'm gonna find a Mommy Pig, so you guys can get subscribe on my channel, or you guys subscribe at Friend Alvaredo's account. So you guys are gonna see anybody. So, where's Mother? Oh, there's Mother right here.
There, behind Sheepy, behind Daisy. Behind Daisy. Behind Daisy.
Shut up! Alright, this isn't making any with saving price. Peppa! Did something bad? Mommy, sorry. No, what did you do that to Captain Budgie? No, Zizzy didn't do anything wrong. You did, Captain Budgie. Did you did it to him? Bobby, I don't care. Go to your room. Click your crying. I don't want you in your mouth. Uh-oh. Wait, one for me. Penny, I'm your mother. Penny, you need to listen to me. You without your friends? Now, Dad. Peppa, you're so much trouble. I'm gonna beat you up. That's it. I'm beat you up. Punch, 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 punch. Dad, you wanted to cry, huh? Huh? You wanna cry? You make me cry, Mommy. What are you doing? Shut up, Penny. That's what you fucking get. Well. Yeah, that's why. I can't believe everyone is back to piggy life. Next time, Captain Budgie is very bad. What's going on? Who are you? Hey! Do you want to do with my daughter? Excuse me! Excuse me, don't be frightened. I'm your mother. See? I love you a lot. What are you? I'm Mama Pig. I'm gonna beat you up, Peppa, and you shut up. I'm not a piggy. Why? Who are you anyways? Me. That's it. Poop, 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 poop.
Look, I put Brooklyn.
Brooklyn. That's a nice name. Okay, let's go. So I ground her because listen, kid, I ground her because she was lost in trouble. She was lost in trouble. What? I did to her because she lost in trouble. Oh my, Mammy! Oh man, I need to get out of here. Oh, not so fast. Oh, you said ugly bitch. Huh? 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 You're gonna punch you in the face. Look. I'm Peppa Pig. I'm a very, very bad. Okay. I'm Peppa Pig. I'm a bitch. You're up. So, I'm Peppa Pig. I'm gonna make a cat. I'm like a